If you would, just tell us a bit about ICOx Innovations and how you got involved and what your vision is.
Sure. So at ICOx Innovations, what we do is we build crypto economies for established brands. So we're an enterprise platform that basically does one of two things for companies that already have well-established ecosystems and economies. We either reduce their costs or we are able to help them with decreasing the costs of acquiring customers. So we can build coins, reward coins, loyalty coins, payment rails, to incent customers or to reward customers or to build loyalty. So effectively, much of the industry has gotten really excited about ICOs and startups to disrupt industries and decentralize and things like that. Our take is much more being excited about the technology and what it can do for existing economies in terms of decreasing costs or increasing customer traction.
Right, great. And you mentioned brands. So I believe Kodak is your first brand that the project you've developed?
Yeah, so KODAKOne is the blockchain that does digital rights management. So in the era of digital, the internet was fantastic for creators, if you will, in terms of being able to distribute content. It was horrific in terms of being able to get paid for content, right, or copying content. And we saw what digital did to the music industry, the film industry, the image and the camera industry, Kodak being one of the great victims of all of that. However, what blockchain does is it takes digital assets and it takes digital and turns it from a file, which can be copied and ripped and shared and all the rest of it, very hard to track the usage and such, and turns it into an asset. Because now you can assign it a place on a blockchain, you can hash it, you can coordinate multiple contracts with it, you can coordinate multiple other use cases around it, create smart contracts so that if it's used in one place 2 times or somewhere else 5 times, it can track all of that usage and instantly pay for it using the KODAKOne that we've developed. Now we've also introduced other technologies that constantly and pervasively scour the web and the internet in order to check usage, but it can do it in a way where it actually could then automatically check back to the smart contract to see if that usage is authorized or not. And if not, you contact the DNS provider and says, hey, you've got copyright infringement, and about 85% of everything that system goes after is collected or resolved without human intervention.